Hello, welcome again. We are covering Geography of Class 9 from NCERT book under heading Contemporary India 1 for Civil Services Pre and CDS exam. The next topic is in season is advancing monsoon, the rainy season. We have covered the winter season and summer season. Now it is rainy season. So in summer season we have learned that in the northern part of India the low pressure condition dwells. So this low pressure condition gets intensified by early June. So that is your first point. By early June, the low pressure condition over the northern plains intensifies. Second point is it attracts trade wind of the southern hemisphere. These southeast trade winds originate over warm subtropical area of southern origin. They cross the equator and blow in a southwesterly direction, entering the Indian peninsula as southwest monsoon. So looking at this figure again, so these are the tropical easterly wind in southern hemisphere. This is your intertropical convergence zone I2CZ, and these are the tropical easterly winds in northern hemisphere. So in summer this intertropical convergence zone shifts somewhere here. So these two wind will strike somewhere here. So as these wind crosses the equator, they will change its direction to this. So striking will take place here because intertropical convergence zone in summer is shifting towards north. Okay. So now these are southeast winds. So after crossing equator, they will change its direction and move to the low pressure zone here. Okay, so now they will, after crossing equator, they will become southwest wind. So this is called southwest wind monsoon or southwest wind. Okay. So monsoon is due to southwest wind because we have learned that here the high pressure zone dwells near east of Madagascar and here the low pressure zone will dwell. So the wind will flow from here to here. Okay. After crossing equator. So next point is as this wind blow over warm ocean, they bring abundant moisture to the subcontinent. These winds are strong and blow at an average velocity of 30 km per hour. With an average, with an exception of extreme northwest, the monsoon wind cover the country in about month. So here the velocity of this wind is your 30 km per hour, and these wind cover whole of the country except northwest part. Within a month, northwest part means Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan. So these parts are not covered within a month. So rest of the country is covered within a month, and due to southwest monsoon. Next point is the inflow of southwest monsoon into India brings about a total change in weather. As initially there was summer, now it is rainy season. So this monsoon brings a total change in weather. Next point is early in the season, the windward side of the western Ghats receives very heavy rainfall, more than 250 centimeters. The Dakkan frequent parts of Madhya Pradesh also receive some amount of rain in spite of laying in the rain shadow area. The maximum rainfall of this season is received in the northeastern part of the country. So this is your western Ghat, and most of the rain initially uh, felt here, and so this is your windward side, and some of the rain is also felt on the leeward side. So this is your Dakkan plateau, and some rain also fell here, but maximum rain takes place here, okay, in the northeast part. Maya Sundram is the southern range of Khasi Hills, receives the highest average rainfall in the world. The rainfall in the Ganga Valley decreases from east to west. Rajasthan and parts of Gujarat get scanty rainfall. Next point is another phenomena associated with the monsoon is its tendency to have breaks in the rainfall. Thus, it has a wet and dry spell. So, break is related to wet and dry spell. In other words, monsoon rains take place only for a few days at a time. They are interspersed with rain less interval. Okay, so the rain occurs with breaks. For a few days there is some rain and then there is no rain. Then after that there is rain. Next point is these breaks in monsoon are related to the movement of monsoon trough. For various reasons, the trough and its axis keep on moving northward and or southward, which determines the spatial distribution of rainfall. When the axis of monsoon trough lies over the plain, the rainfall is good in these parts. On the other hand, whenever the axis shifts closer to the Himalaya, there are longer dry spells in the plains and widespread rain occurs in the mountain catchment area of Himalaya region. These heavy rain bring in the their wake devastating floods causing damage to life and property in plains. So wherever is the axis of a trough, the rain occurs. When it is on plain, the rain occurs on plain, and when it is on Himalaya, then the rain takes place on mountains. Next point is the frequency and intensity of tropical depression to determine the amount and duration of monsoon rain. These depressions form at the end of Bay of Bengal and cross over to the mainland. So depressions are developed at the Bay of Bengal and cross over to mainland. The depression follow the axis of monsoon trough of low pressure. The monsoon is known for its uncertainty. Now the conclusion of this rainy season. The monsoon is known for its uncertainty. The alteration of dry and wet spells vary in intensity, frequency and duration. While it causes heavy floods, one part it may be responsible for drought in the other. It is often irregular in its arrival and its retreat. Hence, it sometimes disturbs the farming schedule of millions of farmers all over the country. So this is about rainy season. Okay. So that is due to southwest monsoon. So now after that we'll study the next topic, the retreating monsoon.